Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation today. We very pleased to be here to present the topic about accounting. And so let's us introduce ourselves. So the first, me. My name is Renandartia Pramesti.
My name is Abdul Rafi Mubarak.
Hey, my name is Raihan Julian Rahman.
And my name is Fajar Dwi Mulyana.
Okay, so we have our presentation will be informative and useful for all of you guys. So let's begin. The first material, it's what is accounting. Accounting is the process of the recording financial transaction pertaining to a business or other large organization. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting this transaction to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. Next. All right. So we're gonna know about a history of the accounting. The history of accounting has been around almost as long as money itself. Accounting history dates back to ancient civilization in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Babylon. For examples, during Roman Empire, the government had detailed records of its finance. However, modern accounting as a profession has only been around since the early 19th century. Luca Pacioli is considered the father of accounting and bookkeeping due to his contribution to the development of accounting as a profession. An Italian mathematician and a friend of Leonardo da Vinci, Pacioli published a book to the double entry system of a bookkeeping in 1494. By 1880, the modern profession of accounting was fully formed and recognized by the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales. The institute created many of the systems by which accountants practice today. The formation of the institute occurred in a large part due to industrial revolution. Merchants not only needed to track their records but sought to avoid a bankruptcy as well. So that's all for me. And next material, we have a standard and method accounting presented by Fajar.
Okay, thank you, Renanda. In this time, we will explore the foundational frameworks of accounting, focusing on the standard that govern financial reporting and the cycle that process accounting data. Let us begin with the global standard. The credibility of financial reports depends entirely on adherence to established standard. The standard ensure that financial statements are consistent, comparable, and reliable. Globally, globally, two major regulatory frameworks are commonly used. Number one is GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. This framework is primarily applied in the United States and serves as a comprehensive set of rules and guidelines. And number two is International Financial Reporting Standard. This global standard is adopted in more than 114 jurisdictions and emphasizes principles rather than strict rules. Their standard provide a common language that enable effective communication in global business environment. And now, we will talking about the basic of recognition. The standard also determines when a financial event should be recognized. There are two main methods. Number one is accrual basic. This is the most widely used and is mandatory for large organization. It recognizes revenue when earned and expenses when incurred, regardless of cash flow. This method provides a more accurate reflection of a company's financial performance. And next, number two is cash basic. The simpler method records transaction only when cash is reserved or paid. It is suitable for small business but less accurate for measuring long-term performance. Okay, next, we will talking about the accounting cycle. To apply the standard effectively, we follow a systematic process known as the accounting cycle. The cycle ensures that all transactions are properly recorded and classified and summarized into accurate financial reports. The process consists of several sequential steps within an accounting period. Number one is transaction analysis. In the step collecting and analyzing short documents such as invoice and contract. And next step, number two is journalizing. In the step, recording each transaction in the general journal using debits and credits. And number three is posting to the ledger, transferring journal entries to individual account in the general ledger. And number four, unadjusted trial balance. In the step, preparing a list of all account balance to ensure debits equal credit before adjustment. And number five is adjusting entries. In the step, we will making necessary adjustment to apply the accrual basic, such as depreciation or accurate expenses. And number six is adjusted trial balance. In the step, we will preparing the verified trial balance after adjustment. And number seven or last step is financial statement, and this type, generating the primary report, the income statement, and the balance sheet. Maybe that's it from me. Thank you for attention.
Okay, thank you, Fajar, for the explanation of the material. So next topic or material is type of accounting presented by Raihan.
Okay, thank you, Renanda. Today I'm gonna explain of a type of accounting. There are several important branches of accounting is serving different purpose. Okay, for the first, uh, financial accounting focus on recording and summarizing reporting company financial transaction through the financial statement such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. It helps external user like investor and creditor make informed decision. And the second, there is a managerial accounting provide financial and non-financial information to internal management for planning, controlling, and decision making. It assists manager in analyzing costs, setting budget, and improving performance. And third, cost accounting records, analyze, and control costs related to producing goods or service. It helps business determine product cost, management expense, and engine efficiency. And for the last, tax accounting deal with preparing, analyzing, and reporting tax according to applicable laws and regulation, ensuring compliance and helping minimize tax liabilities legally. Okay, so that's all for explain of type of accounting, and then I'm gonna to explain uh, Why does it become one of economic studies? Because there is to its strong relationship comprehending and controlling economic activity. Accounting is regarded as one of the field of study within economics. Accounting is the process of documenting, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions that give a general picture of entity financial health according to investor view. Because it enables economic actors, including business, government, and individual, to allocate resources effectively. This knowledge is crucial to the study of the economics. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you, Raihan. Okay, next material is about mention kind of job in accounting presented by Abdul Rafi.
Okay, thank you, Renanda. Next mention kinds of job in accounting. Accounting is just about number. It's also about understanding how many move and how decisions are made in business. There are many different types of job in accounting, and each has a crucial role. They are public accountant, internal auditor, financial analyst, tax consultant, financial manager, financial planner, and uh, um, tax accountants gitu. First, they are public accountant. Public accountant typical work in public accounting firm to conduct audits, which means checking whether and company financial statements comply with applicable standard. Public accountants can also provide consulting and tax service. Second, they are management accountants. These accountants work within company and assist manager in creating budgets, calculating production costs, and analyzing financial reports so the company can make informed decision. Next, they are government accountants. They work in agency such as the Supreme Audit Agency or the Ministry of Finance. Their job is to manage and oversee finance to ensure public funds are used efficiently and in accordance with regulation. Next, they are tax accountant who focus work on planning and reporting or individual tax to ensure compliance with a place tax regulation. In addition, they are also forensic accountant tax sheet with is investigating financial case such as fraud and corruption. Internal auditor who examine financial system within company, and accounting educator who teach and research in the field of accounting. So we can conclude that jobs in accounting field are very deserved. This profession not only deals with number, but also records analytic skill, responsibility, and high integrity. With the development of technology, the accounting profession is also becoming more modern and in high demand in various sectors. Maybe that concludes my presentation. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Bara. So next, okay, this is the last topic or the last question, actually. Why do you choose for your future job and why? So all of us answer that question. The first, me, why accountant have um, to I choose to my future job because I want to become a professional accountant. So that I can assess small and medium enterprise that's called UMKM in preparing their financial statement. So maybe next to answer the question.
Maybe my future career is I like to work in taxation or at a large public accounting firm like PwC Universe. This is because I'm attracted to the challenging world of finance, which requires a high level of profession. We don't know what of what your jobs will be, but beyond that, we can only try and pray for the best. Maybe next.
Okay, thank you, Bara. So next.
Okay. Maybe in the future, I want to be accountant at a state-owned enterprise because that was my dream since I was little, and this dream made me enthusiastic about studying accounting. So maybe that's it. Next.
All right, thank you, Fajar. Last one.
Okay. Why I choose accountant for my future job? Because it's matched with my interests, my skill and long-term goals. And then why? I want a career where I keep learning, contribute to society, and achieve personal growth. Having a job that aligns with my passion will motivate me to work harder. And then make me be more creative and make me positive in my field. Maybe that's why I choose accountant. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys. And maybe that's all for our presentation today. We hope you guys maybe are watching the video gain some useful insight from what we share. And thank you for your attention and time, guys. So once again, thank you so much and have a good day.